When you have to go get a blood transfusion, God forbid you get in a major car accident, they may be pumping you up with COVID vaccinated blood, which can result in severe outcomes. And so this has to be stopped, and we have to start cleaning up the blood supply. A very important two-part study. The first part of this study was we collected all of the cases we could find, the case reports of individuals getting a blood transfusion and then suffering severe reactions. And so we found about 9 unvaccinated individuals. These 9 individuals all suffered either heart damage, extreme blood clotting, multi-organ failure, or death after their blood transfusions. And so that's very worrisome. And then we published a second study looking at the vaccine adverse event reporting system to look for these similar sorts of adverse events occurring. And every single one we looked at, every single adverse event, including hemorrhage, other thrombotic events, Parkinson's, human equivalent of mad cow disease, these are 100 to 1,000 times more frequent with the COVID shots compared to other vaccines. And so every single safety signal was breached there. And so according to these 2 studies, and lastly, we know all of the vaccine components get into the blood. And again, we demonstrated that. You find the spike protein, the vaccine mRNA, the plasmid DNA, all of this garbage is in the blood, and it's in the blood for years after the last shot. And so now what needs to happen based on this evidence here we collected, we have to start looking directly in the blood supply and looking for the spike protein and mRNA injection genetic material. They have to do it. This is extremely dangerous. And you see this graphic here. These are the safety signals that were dramatically breached in CDC FDA data.